to today's weekly analysis. Okay, so we're looking at gold. I've mapped out all my liquidities on gold, and I'm looking at gold coming from this liquidity side to fill up this imbalance back to this liquidity. So gold is currently on a ranging side because it's coming from this liquidity to this liquidity until it breaks out of either this side or this side. Gold maintain a range on gold. Okay, now if we look at the 24 hours time frame on this, let's see, you see clearly what I'm saying. So you find that since it got to this high and this high, it hasn't been able to take out this high. Okay, it's a failed high and a failed low. So the high and the low are running as though it is double touch here and double touch there. So we're expecting gold to break any of those previous highs or lows before we are able to ascertain what trend we're on. So that's it. So watch out for the updates on the VIP group, because the VIP group is for the gold. Now same thing with GU. Now this is why many people are not able to get entries on these pairs. The reason is because the pairs are beginning to form some new moves which it hasn't formed in a long time. Now look at how GU usually goes. It gives a clear move, it gives a clear move, a clear retracement, a clear retracement, a clear move. Okay, but now what it's basically doing here is a little bit different from what it usually would do, maybe because of the economic situation in different nations, I don't know, but GU is playing out a character which is not used to its previous character, and that's why you must be careful with your strategy. Your strategy must give you an edge, and you must be able to spot the let the liquidities guide your entry, because that's what moves the market. So I've already mapped out this liquidity. From what I'm saying, this is already a downtrend, but right now it looks like it's beginning to retrace itself back up to maybe probably this liquidity side. So but before then, I'll be looking at what will happen to this liquidity or this liquidity. That's what we're going to tell me exactly what to do. But I'm expecting GU to do a little bit of range here before it breaks to the upside. Now I'm going to be looking at DXY, so that will clearly define what GU will be doing for me. So for DXY, if you look from the 24 hours time frame, you find that DXY looks like it may go bearish. Okay, now it looks like it came out for a retracement. I may just do a bearish retest before going probably bullish. Okay, so if it's pointing that way in 24 hours time frame, and the 4-hour time frame is giving me this huge rejection, I'll be expecting DXY to either take out this liquidity and come to this liquidity, of which that will be a bearish confirmation, and then I'll be buying GU and EU. But if it doesn't do that, if it goes bullish up to this liquidity side, then I'll be selling GU and EU. But I'm going to give you that update as soon as I get a full confirmation. Now for all who are on the VIP, I'm going to be giving you updates on gold and euro. For those of you on the free channel, I'll be giving you updates on only GU. Now for euro, I already told you what the condition will be if DXY permits. So let's see what the 24 hours time frame will be on EU, so we can use that to just quickly do the analysis. Now when we look at the 24 hours, you see that it took out this previous high and gave this, okay, but it gave a huge rejection. Now for me, what I'm saying is EU is coming back to this liquidity, because this is obviously an uptrend, and this is a good change of character. Okay, this is a good change of character, so I will be expecting a break of structure before I can be able to ascertain that. Now if that's from the 24 hours time frame, but for the 4-hour time frame, what's going to play out before the 24 hours time frame is that EU may just come bearish to this liquidity before it begins to go bullish. So I'll be expecting EU to take out this liquidity or this liquidity for me to confirm the full move on EU. So that's it on EU. So for crypto, I've already done a few analysis on Bitcoin and Ethereum, and I'll be expecting to post updates on that for the groups. So just watch in the group. So this is what I did on Bitcoin. I'm expecting Bitcoin to come to this liquidity, and Ethereum, do I have time for that? For synthetic, I'll give updates on Ethereum too. I'm expecting it to go up here. So there was a dump, and now it's retracing back to the previous liquidity, and that's what we hope to see. See you soon for the updates in the groups. Have a great week.